Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a cool new tool. It'll hold your sprinkler rotor and it'll also help to level it. This is the screwdriver tool that it comes with, so I'm able to stick this into this pattern here, and then all you simply do is twist it, and then it'll hold this top portion, and then I'm able to grasp onto this if I need to. Normally, from there you'd have to hold on to this and make your adjustments this way as far as maybe getting these nozzles out, but instead I'm going to use one of these. All right, once you have these clamps on your rotor sprinkler, there's a couple cool different things you can do with it. For one, it's got a little bubble level indicator on here, so if your sprinkler is way out of whack the way it's situated, this bubble will let you know. I'm kind of in the target area. I'm on the outer ring, so I think that's probably acceptable. But if it was like leaning way back one side or the other side, then your spray pattern is gonna just be not ideal, and so it might be shooting too low, it might be shooting too high, just cockeyed some way, and just not spraying in an efficient manner. So this lets me know with the way it's leveled that it's gonna water pretty efficiently. Now, secondly, I have this nice tool that comes with it that helps me to pull up the sprinkler and clamp it into place. And once I have it into place, I have this opportunity, if I need to swap out for a different size nozzle, I can do so. So I don't have to pull it up and hold on to it like I normally do. So I'm hands free in a way. So now I can just access, pulling this up, and eventually the screw will come all the way out, and then I can swap out this nozzle. I've got other nozzles, bigger or smaller ones, whatever you need to do. So this is a really nice tool to have just to make things a little bit easier for you when you're doing some sprinkler maintenance. And they give you two of them, as well as this screwdriver, which I can use to adjust the flow pattern, as well as when I want to change angles on my these sprinklers, how far I want them to spray in a pattern. I can also use this as well. This is a flat head here, and then I've got like a Phillips here, but it fits